Welcome to my channel. My name is Sindhu Harikrishna, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17, guys. We are at day 17, but today has been such a busy day with like a lot of things. There was so much work to do, which I just finished actually. There was like brand collab, 2 brand collabs for like major brands, which I just had to like finish. That's why I'm wearing like the similar t-shirt that you saw that day, right? I had to like wear something purple for this brand, and it's like a body wash that I had to like do a campaign for. And finally I just finished, and I'm so exhausted. I have not eaten yet, guys. Actually, it has been such a busy day. It's almost like 8:30 p.m. and it's been a little bit crazy, and I thought I'll just come and give you an update at least. I remember the last year also, I think around like day 23 or 22 somewhere, I could not film anything because some days get so busy, guys, and Vlogmas 25 days, it's so crazy. I really want to film. I'm still filming actually. I'm providing you an update on what happened, but then it's not anything Christmassy today, guys. Although I have like Christmassy ideas, there was like a video I had to like make today, but then I'll have to like do it tomorrow. Today I think it's gonna be like a 1-minute video because just now I finished work. After this I'll have to like eat something because your girl is gonna faint anytime soon, guys. I've not eaten yet. I think I had like breakfast around like 10:30, 11, and lunchtime also. Lunch is there, it is ready. Like I have a help, guys. She has made it already. I just did not have the time today, and there were like some meetings today. And also the thing is that I'm going on a break from like work also because I have like excess holidays like at the IT job that I'm doing, right? So it's like from 19th I'm gonna be on leave, and I'll have to like wrap up like a lot of things before I go on leave. So all that I'm taking care of, and it's just one day more, right? Like tomorrow is the last working day for this year, guys. I'm still working actually, but then I'll be on leave, and kind of like it's like a good thing because I am very exhausted, like work and everything. And today the 2 brand collabs that came, it was just like within 5 minutes they wanted everything, guys. Like although the reel has already been sent for like approval, no complaints, but then like he sent me like the guidelines and everything. Like there were like 15 captions from which I had to like choose, and like a hashtag, and like you add like the brand name and everything. And next, not even like 30 seconds, guys, he was like, have you posted? I'm like, it was still posting. I'm like, please wait. And then there was another campaign that came. For that only I had to like purple, like I told you, right? And that I had to like film, and I've already submitted it. Plus like there was like another 1 or 2 work that I had to do, and I am like drained out, guys, like completely. So although I look like not drained out, but there is this freaking baby hair which looks bad, like it's not settling down. Yeah, okay. So another thing, guys, there are like a lot of like collabs coming for like written reviews, you know what I mean? So you get the product, and then you'll have to like try it out like for like 5 days or 7 days or 10 days. They'll give you that time. Then you will have to like post the review on the e-commerce website like Amazon or Flipkart or like whichever shopping site from where you bought it. On that you'll have to like post the review. So yeah, I was trying out some products and seeing like how it works. I have to remember the timeline because these are like more actually now, to be very honest. I think close to like at least on an everyday basis I'm constantly checking like 5 to 7 products at least. I mean like in the media company's app, right? So as per your followers and everything, you'll have like campaigns open for you, and based on that you'll be getting the products. And it's like, I don't even know why I'm explaining this, guys, but just letting you know how sometimes it works, like in case you want to be a content creator in the future, maybe it will help. So it's like a set of how do I say, steps to follow. Like it's not like one time you'll just review it. So first is your acceptance for the campaign, and once you accept it, after that you'll have to like purchase the product. Then you purchase the product and send them a proof that you have already purchased the product, and then each and every step has to be approved by them. So it will say approved, approved. And once you purchase the product, then after it delivers, then you have to like try it out. They let you know the timeline and everything like for trying it out. And after that, once you feel like okay fine, you are writing so and so review, then you post the review before it goes live. That review you send them again for like approval, and once the review goes live, again reviews go live. I think some of you like already you know this, like it takes at least like 4-5 days or like 7 days sometimes. Then you monitor in the site if it has gone live or not, and once it has gone live, then you post the live link in this app, and then they approve it or like reject it based on like what your review is and like if it's correct or not and everything. Like once by mistake in the image that we have to like post of the product, I think the carton was visible in which my address was there, and I didn't even notice that, and it kept getting rejected. I'm like, why is it getting rejected? I'm changing the review, I'm changing the title and everything, I'm making it 25 to 30 words as necessary. I'm like, I'm not understanding why it's getting rejected. And then finally I'm seeing like my address is there in the image that I posted for the review. Then I was like, okay fine. So this is again something that's going on a regular basis, guys. Like this thing I don't put a reel necessarily, but then I review the product because that's all they ask for. Like sometimes if the product is really good, and even if they don't ask a reel, I still make a reel out of it so that I can share it with you guys, and it's going to be helpful for you to know if this product is good or bad and if it is nice to use. Hi guys, I have changed now. Welcome to the washroom. So now I thought I'd show you my PM skincare routine because I think it's worked good for me, so I thought I'd share that. First things first, as I always say, wash your hands first before you do your skincare or makeup or anything. Next guys, I always used to recommend the Plum Tea Good like cleansing balm, right, to remove your makeup. But recently what I've been following is to use a wet wipe or like a makeup remover wipe. So this is from Zudio Cucumber and Vitamin E wet wipes. It helps to remove the makeup much easier. So first I use like a wet wipe and like remove the makeup, and then it comes off very easily, guys. So it's a little cold because I've kept it in the fridge. I like to keep it in the fridge. So look at that, guys. So in this way you remove the makeup, but also since it's a wet wipe, it does not drag your skin too much. So it's kind of like nice to use this, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, my makeup has come out very nicely with the wet wipe, and today, to be very honest guys, I did not do any heavy makeup. I did not even apply foundation today actually. All I did was apply like loose powder after doing my skincare. Then I applied eyebrows and eyeliner and lipstick. That's about it. I didn't even retouch my lipstick. So I don't think after this step I'll have to go with the cleansing balm because there is not much makeup that I applied today. So the wet wipe is good. But if I apply like heavy makeup, right, then after the wet wipe I definitely go with the cleansing balm and remove it with the reusable pad, guys. Since today is kind of like very minimal makeup, I don't want to go with the cleansing balm. After this I started using this face wash, guys, this Christmas season, and it is actually nice, guys. I got it in a collab actually, to be very honest, but then I've started using it and it is so good that I continued using it. So this is from the brand called Novology, and this is their acne deep clearing cleanser with 0.35% thymol plus terpineol, I think that's how it's pronounced, co-created with dermatologists. This is the face wash I'm using, guys, and it's actually nice. I think like acne and everything it's working on very nicely. So this is the face wash I'm going to use, guys. So I damp my face and use very little. It's a gel consistency actually, and then I lather it up nicely on my face. Not gonna lie, guys, it's not like the best smell. It has ajwain smell. To be very honest, like literally that is the smell this has. So guys, I'm back to my room. I've turned on the dim light, that's why it's like a little bit weird lighting, but then look at my face, guys. It's so clean after using that Novology face wash. It does not dry it up also. Sorry guys, the door is open so you can hear like some noise. Next guys, for the nighttime skincare routine this holiday season, in the night I use only one product for my skin. Like I already told you in the past, I think I don't layer up too much. My skin type is not such that I can layer up too many products. It does not suit me at all. So night for my skin, the only product that I use is this Nail Mucin, guys. This is this Cosrx Nail Mucin, which is very famous and trending, you know that. I have tried using it in the day under makeup. I tried using it in my daytime skincare routine, but somehow it does not sit well, or under the makeup when I use it kind of like pills, which does not look nice for the makeup. So I've started using it in the night. I apply like a good layer in the night and then I sleep, and morning when I wake up the skin texture is good. So that's what I do, guys. And for lip balm, guys, this is the only lip balm I use. No other lip balm in this planet suits me. So this is the only one that I use, the Vaseline Original Lip Therapy. That's the one that I use, and it is very good. And yes guys, for this winter, this nighttime routine works for me really well. Like the Novology face wash, and then a layer of snail mucin and this lip balm, and that's all. Like I don't do too much because like it does not suit me. Again, like based on your skin type, you can identify what is the skincare that works for you in the night. Okay guys, that is my simple PM skincare routine for this winter season. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I will see you in Vlogmas day 18. Bye.